Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new feature that I have added to my free online tools website called as Merge PDF. I have recently added this feature alongside with two other features, which is text to speech and speech to text. So inside this I will be elaborating more about this feature. If you go to it, Merge PDF, you will see this interface. You can merge multiple PDF file here. You can choose single or multiple PDF files. If I choose here, you will see if I choose these two PDF files, two files are selected, and then if I click this button, you will see it will merge them together and you will be able to download it. You can see it has downloaded the resultant file. If I open this, you will see it will concatenate, or it will merge these two files, and it is containing here two pages here inside the single PDF document. So you can upload as many PDF documents as you want in order to merge multiple PDF files online. So this is a great service. I have given the link in the video description. You can go directly to this website, to my website, which is freemediatools.com/mergepdf. So now inside this tutorial I will be building this service from scratch in Node.js and Express, and through this tutorial you will get to know that how to develop these complex looking like services which you see on the internet. So it's pretty simple with Node.js. If you are working with Node, there is a package that I have used inside Node Package Manager. If you go to it, search for this package, which is easy pdf-merge. This is the package, and also I have written a complete step-by-step blog on my website. The link is there inside the video description. You can go to the link and download all the source code. This is a package. Click on this package and you will see it has got almost 6,311 weekly downloads. So we will be using this package in order to, you can see the simplest of example is this. You can see in order to merge it, we will be using this syntax. You can even use absolute file path. So now to use this package, go to your any package. This is my project, so I will just show you how to do this. So simply npm I easy dash pdf dash merge. So execute this command in order to use this plugin, and for that you will also need Express for our server, and Malter will be the file uploading library. That's it. So let me just start my server, npm run dev start. So basically this is my project that I have already developed. So now to do this, guys, it is pretty simple. Let me just create a dummy file here, which is merge pdf files demo.ejs. Ejs is just a template engine, as you all know. So inside this bootstrap, I will just give it a title: bootstrap merge multiple PDF files in Node and Express. So now what we want is, we will use some bootstrap. We will use a container class of bootstrap, and inside this we will have a simple heading in the center position. That is, text center is a bootstrap class, and here we will give a heading merge PDF files. After that, we will have a simple form. The action will go to merge PDF files demo, and this the method will be post. And since we are uploading files, we also need to provide a additional encoding type attribute, which is called as multipart form data. And inside this we will have a input field. We will wrap this inside the form group class of bootstrap, and inside this we will have input type file, and I will be giving a name attribute to it of file. Let me just rename it to files, and it should be required for the validation. And we also need to give it a bootstrap class of form control. That's it. And let me also give it a simple label that file single upload single or multiple PDF files. That's it. And after that, we will have a simple button, form group. Let me once again use this form group class. And inside this, we will have a simple button, BTN danger, and BTN block. And simple button will be merge PDF. That's it. And now, as I'm running this inside my this index.js, so this is my project. This is the whole website project that I'm running on. So every time I add a new tool, I add to this website code. So right here, what we want to do is that we need to load that template. You can see app.get merge PDF files demo. So when we make a get request to that, we need to load the template response.render, and we will just say merge PDF files. What is the name? Merge PDF files demo. And also we can give it a title to it of, let me just say, the title will be simply merge PDF files online. That's it. Free media tools. And now what we want is that we need to, if I just show you, if I run this on my localhost environment, if I go localhost 5000, you will see the same website which I am developing right now on my local environment. You will not see a service which is coming up. Now to add this service, I need to go to my services.ejs. This is a partial. Now we just need to add a service here. This is the code here. Paste it and I merge PDF. Let me just change the title to demo. So this will go to merge PDF files demo. And let me just change the color to 1. If I refresh, you will see this service coming up, merge PDF demo. If I click it, you will see it will go to my HTML template. You can see upload single or multiple PDF files. So here if I choose file, I will be able to merge PDF files. Now the thing is very simple. First of all, as you need to upload these files onto your public folder, I have already done that. You can see I have created these two folders, public, and inside this I have created uploads folder. Now to tell Express that make that folder static inside my index.js, I have already added these middlewares. If you see, I will give you all the source code for this tutorial inside video description. No need to worry that I am not telling you what to do. So I have already imported Express. You can see imported Express, and right here we have created programmatically these folders inside the if condition, and we have set this directory public as static by using this express.static middleware. You can see, and for the storage we are using Malter here, malter.disk storage. So we are telling Malter that store all the PDF files inside public/uploads folder. So we are also generating a dynamic file name every time you upload a file. We are using this date.now function. That's it. Now to make this post request, we will go to the bottom and we will make this post request. So right here we will write app.post. The endpoint is merge PDF files demo and request response. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to create the Malter. So simply I can just tell you this. We can use this filter here which will only allow the PDF files to be uploaded. If you upload any sort of other file, this error will take place. This extension is not supported. So basically we are checking for the extension. If the extension is not equal to PDF, then send this error. And then we are calling this merge PDF files upload, calling the Malter library, passing the storage and this filter that we have used. So now we simply need to use this middleware. So I can simply copy this and right here I can paste this, and there is a method here dot array in order to upload multiple files. So here we need to pass the name attribute whatever we have used. we have used files, and the second argument is maximum amount of files that you want to upload. So we will allow users to upload 100 PDF files at once. That's it. Now to check if they are uploaded, we can simply say if request.files, and then we can say console log request. We can use a for each loop because this is a list of files. So for each, the array will be request.files, and for each file we can console log their path like this file.path. And now we simply need to, what we need to do is that we need to make a list which will be currently empty. This is the array, and now we simply need to push the entry list.push the file path. So how many files that you are uploading? So for every file we are pushing the path of the file inside this empty array. So if you console log the array, it will contain all the addresses of all the files which were uploaded to the server. Now we will simply call the PDF merge library. So simply we need to call this library. So we can replace here easy PDF merge. So I think I haven't installed this library, so I can just say you can see cannot find the module, so we need to install this easy PDF merge. So install this. This is a very simple command. It will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds to install, so just wait. It is installing it. So this totally depends upon your internet connection, that how much internet connection, that your internet connection is fast or slow. So it will do here. Now we can simply run our npm run dev start script. So it will start our server. So what we want is that PDF merge. We can just call this. So right here, after we get this, we need to call this PDF merge. PDF merge. And if you look at the documentation, they have provided a very good example. Here you will just put your list, which is the array, and the second argument is the output file path. So here I will make a simple variable. I have created this variable right here at the top, output file path. So here we will use the date.now function to generate every time a unique name. So we will concatenate output.pdf. That's it. Here we will pass the output file path, where to store it, and then it will also return a callback function holding any sort of error which takes place. So if any sort of error take place, we need to remove the file. We need to remove the file. First of all, output file path, and we will send out the error, whatever error has taken place. If no error taken place, if the process is good, then we can download the file by response.download. This is the express function. We can just pass the output file path here, and this also returns a callback if any sort of error take place. If any sort of error take place, then in that case we also need to remove the input files and the output files. So here we will use again the for each loop. This will be request files, and for each file we need to remove the file which is fs.unlink sync file.path, and also after this we also need to remove our output file. And then we can send out a simple error, whatever error has taken place. And if the process has successful, then also in that case also we need to delete it. So we can simply copy this and paste it here. That's it. And I think in this scenario, if any sort of error has taken place in converting this, then also we need to remove these input files. So I can just copy paste this code and just paste it here. That's it. So this is all your code now. If I just test this code onto my browser, if I go localhost, if I choose multiple files, you will see if I choose these two PDF files, sorry, I think I haven't allowed multiple access, so I need to go to my EJS file. So here I need to add a simple attribute. So multiple, so which will allow multiple files to upload. So if you click choose files, if you select multiple two files are selected, click on the merge PDF option, and then it will download this as an attachment. So just wait. I think some error has taken place. It is saying to us that no such file or directory. I think what we have done a mistake here. So just wait. Don't panic. You just need to, I think we can just uncomment this line. So sometimes in programming you will caught in error, so you don't have to panic. You just need to debug your code until and unless you have successfully debugged your code here. So simply merge PDF. So it is saying to us that command java jar. mm, I think some error has taken place, so just wait. Let me just look at the error. Output files. You can see in the console the files are uploading here. Inside this you can see no such file or directory unlink. I think so. Just wait, guys. I am just looking onto the errors here. What is the error has taken place? If I restart this application, npm run dev start. If I once again select multiple files, let me check the code on the real website, guys. So just wait. Let me just check the code here. So this is my real website. Let me just view edit. So just wait. So this is a code here. So you can see we are importing this easy PDF merge library. So I'm not pausing the video, guys. So this is an unedited video. So you can see the real time debugging here. So we are making the post request to slash merge PDF. This is a code you can see. Let me just paste this code and just paste it here. Paste it. So now I think we are missing a comma here. So PDF merge. So PDF merge, we are invoking this library. So let me just check. Yes, we are requiring it. Easy PDF merge. So if I just now rerun the application, hopefully this application will run because on the live website it is working. So if I click merge PDF, uh, it is once again throwing me an error. But guys, you can see on the live website this code is working. So you can see if I just show you freemediatools.com. If you go to this website, if you choose multiple files, you can see I am using the same code in the live website. It is working. If I click merge PDF, now you can see it is downloading this file. but now if I try to develop this onto my local machine, it is throwing me some error. So this can happen with every kind of programmer. But I will give you the source code. You can try it on your machine. If it works, then it is good. If it doesn't, then please comment inside this video, and I will give you all the source code inside my video description. Go to the video description, go to my blog, and copy paste all the source code in order to build this application. And thanks very much, guys, for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.